Hello. While Arturas was editing the video, he told me that I say a lot of so and yeah. So we got an idea. So every time you hear me say so, you drink. And every time you hear me say yeah, you drink. If I say so yeah, you drink 2 shots. By the way that he looks at me right now as I'm saying this, you're gonna get knocked. It's gonna get drunk, really drunk. But have fun. So this is a challenge for you. Do the drinking game and send me your photo after. How do you look? It'd be interesting to see. So yeah. Let's start it. Welcome to episode 6. So today I'm gonna get ready to powder coat, get these parts out. I'm gonna leave the front wheel because it's a bit bent, so I have to straighten it out. And it's a month longing wait, so I'll wait the line and then I'll drive there. So yeah, the BMW getting some work. Mirrors, the ZX6, which crashed at Kacharga too. His front wheel is bent. Yeah, we changed out the forks. We didn't film. Oh yeah, he filmed it, but he did a time lapse. So yeah. So you'll see me trying to put the bike over this ramp. I'm alone, so I'm pretty scared. So I'll film it. If something happens, at least I'll get it on video. So yeah. So we'll try that, and yeah. Let's go on. So we got the bike up. I asked Vitaldus to help me. He's now working on the CB. So yeah, it's a good workout. So I'm gonna take off the exhaust, the back wheel, the, I don't know, swing arm, these, and yeah, that's gonna be all for powder, and the footrests. So this is gonna be interesting. So yeah, I'm gonna put a time lapse. I'm gonna start it.
Yeah, go like this. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I'm having for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I'm having for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times.
Baby, it's drama, mama don't like me. She doing things like having the boys come from her neighborhood to the studio trying to fight me. She need to get a piece of American pie and take her bite out. That's my house. I disconnect the cable and turn the lights out. Let her know her grandchild is a baby and not a paycheck. Private school, daycare, shit, medical bills, I pay that. I love your mom and everything. See, I ain't the only one who lay down. She wanna rip you up and start a custody war. My lawyer, stay down. She never got a chance to hear my side of the story. We was divided. She had fish fries and cookouts for my child's birthday. I ain't invited. Despite it, I show her the utmost respect when I fall through. All you do is defend that lady when I call you.
I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I'm having for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I'm having for real. Never meant to make your daughter.
So yeah, the bike looks like this. So I'm gonna change out the fork now because we unbolted it, so to a red one. The wheel is out, gonna prepare it for powder coating. The swing arm is out too. Don't worry, I'm changing the chain, so don't look at it. Yeah, I thought it was harder, but we strapped the bike. The whole table moves, not the bike, so that's nice. It looks cute, nice. So I'm gonna powder coat this because you can see this in black. Gonna leave this color. Don't want to powder coat it because there's tolerances here and it rubs, so it'll be hard to put in. Yeah, so we're gonna just, I don't know, unbolt a few shits and yeah. I'm gonna put it in time lapse again. And on Monday, today's Friday, on Monday I'm gonna go to powder coat. There's a lot of parts. There's from the Honda CB 650F, my mini bike wheels, 333 of the MT, and that seems all. So I'm gonna put in time lapse. So yeah.
Go like this. Me and your daughter got a special thing going on. You say it's puppy love, we say it's full grown. Hope that we feel this way forever. You can plan a pretty picnic, but you can't predict the weather. Miss Jackson times out of 9. Now if I'm lying, fine. The quickest puzzle, throw it on my mouth and I'll decline. King meets queen, then the puppy love thing. Together dream about that crib with the Goodyear swing. On the oak tree, I hope we feel like this forever. Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever. Forever never seems that long until you're grown. And notice that the day-by-day ruler can't be too wrong. Miss Jackson, my intentions were good. I wish I could become a magician to abracadabra off the Saturn. Thoughts of me, thoughts of she, thoughts of he. Asking what happened to the feeling that her and me had. I pray so much about it, need some knee pads. It happened for a reason, one can't be mad. So know that everything's cool. And yes, I will be present on the first day of school.
So we finished up, cleaned up, took the disc out, put bolts. Oh, there's a lot of space here. So yeah, I'm gonna unmount the tire. And oh, and we fitted the red shock absorber. It looks superb. Gonna paint the frame, and yeah, so we'll see. A bit tired. We did it in how much? Like 1 hour, something like that. So it's not hard. It's not a hard job, but time consuming. So now I have to go. So see you all. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in one episode. For one episode, just unboxing is just for, not unboxing, but just removing something is not so interesting. So I'll be back when the powder coating is done. So yeah, we're gonna continue this after a few weeks, I think, because powder coating takes time. So yeah, see ya. I wanted to say so, but I think you're drunk enough, so I will not say so. I said it 4 times now, so oops, sorry. Thanks for watching. Thanks for participating in the drinking game. And yeah, if you like the idea of a drinking game, we can just create more drinking games of these videos. That's all. So leave a like, subscribe, and send me your photo of you drunk. It'd be fun. Okay, see ya.